Okay, so today we're gonna be working with equal sign, okay? Today you're gonna be able to create equal and non-equal expressions, okay? You're gonna be able to classify equal, which are gonna be true, and non-equal, which are gonna be false equations. Alrighty? Okay. So what do you know about equal? What can you tell me about equal?
¿Qué es eso?
Okay. ¿Qué significa igual?
Lo mismo.
Okay, the same. Yes. All right. So how does the equal sign look like to you? ¿Cómo se mira el símbolo de igual? ¿Quieres dibujarlo? Aquí lo podemos dibujar. ¿Lo quieres dibujar? ¿Sí? Okay. How would the equal sign look like? ¿Cómo se
dibujo?
Okay, the equal sign. El símbolo igual. Okay, so you're going to be able to, me lo dibujas aquí. You're going to draw it here. Recuerda, vamos a escribir el símbolo de igual. Igual. ¿Cómo se mira igual? El símbolo de igual.
Un círculo y otro círculo.
Ok. A ver. So, un círculo y otro círculo. That's the equal sign. Ese es el símbolo de igual. Ok. Entonces.
No es este.
Oh, ok. That's the equal sign. Ese es el equal sign.
Es que pongo que me dices que dibuje dos cosas que son iguales.
Oh, okay. That's right. Okay, so this is what we're going to do, okay? So when do we use the equal sign? ¿Cuándo usamos el símbolo de igual? Igual que.
Cuando sumamos y restamos.
When we subtract and when we are. Good job, okay? So let's see. If I use the color blue. Okay. Can you tell me, can you read that expression? What is it? Try it in English.
4 plus 6 equals 10.
Good job. Did you hear yourself say, what is this?
Equals.
Equals. So that's what we're going to be talking about today, okay? We're going to be talking about this little friend right here. What is this?
Equal.
The equal sign, all right? Okay, so 4 plus 6 equals how much?
10.
10. Good job. Can you think of any other two numbers that we can add that's going to give us 10? What two other numbers can we add?
9.
Okay.
9 plus 1 equals 10.
Good job. Okay, so we're going to write that down. So 9 plus 1 equals 10. Any other? Another one? Can you think of another?
5 plus 5 equals 10.
Good job. Okay, one more. Can you think of one more? Just one more.
Plus 2 equals 10.
Good, and I see you were using your fingers to help you out. Good job. Okay, so now we're gonna watch a video that talks about equal equations. Okay.
Okay.
So just to be on the same side. So this, what is this? This is an expression. Okay. This is an expression. Okay. This, what is this?
Equals.
Equal sign. Good job. And what are we going to be talking about today?
Equals.
Equal sign. Good job. Okay. So we're gonna watch a video together about equal signs. Oh, wrong video. Okay. All right. Here we go. Okay. So we're gonna watch this video.
Hello, eSpark mathematicians. We are going to learn about the equal sign and identify if equations are true.
Okay, let's make it on the. Okay, here we go. Okay, I want you to pay attention to the vocabulary. Okay, I want you to listen to the words that they're gonna be using, and we're gonna talk about it after we finish watching the video. Alrighty? Okie dokie, here we go.
True or false? This is an equal sign, and we see it a lot when we're talking about math. Let's look at some examples. Let's take a look at these puppies. I have one 2, 3. On the left side of the equal sign, and 1, 2, 3. On the right side of the equal sign. 3 is equal to 3, and that means this statement is true. I see the number 4 on the left side of this equal sign, and another 4 on the right side. That means my equation is true. 4 does equal 4. On the left side of this equal sign is the number 2. And on the right side, I see 1 plus 1, which I know is 2. Yay! We have another equation that is true. We are doing great. Now look, on the left side of the equation, I see the same numbers we saw in the last problem, 1 plus 1. And we know that equals 2. But look at the right side. It says 3. So this means our equation is not true because 1 plus 1 does not equal 3. An equal sign with a line through it means false. Good job, eSparkers. This was a tricky one. Let's do one more, and this one is really tricky. We are going to start on the left side again. We have 1 plus 0, and we have 0 plus 1 on the right side. I will tell you a secret that you might not know. When we add, it doesn't matter which order the numbers are in when you look at them. As long as we are adding the same numbers, our answers will be the same. So we have another true equation. Great job, eSparkers. Now you are equal sign experts.
Okie dokie. We are. Okay, so can you tell me some of the words that you heard in the video? What were some of the words that you heard in the video?
Nothing dandy.
Ok, unas palabras. ¿Qué palabras usamos en el video?
Equals.
Equals. Ok, equal sign. What else? ¿Qué otra cosa?
Números.
Okay, numbers. Like, what numbers? ¿Qué
One
números?
and 1,
Mhm.
2,
Did you hear say something about not equal? Do you remember something about that?
and 3.
Okay, so 1 plus 1 not equal 3, right? Do you remember that?
Yeah.
Okay, so how did that look like? ¿Cómo se miraba eso? Can you write it? The 1 plus 1 equals, it does not equal 3. How did that look like? Okay, so here you have 1 plus 1 equals 3, right? Is that true? No, so what do we need to do to make it not true? Do you remember?
¿Cómo se dice borrar esta?
Okay, well, remember on the video, what did the video say? What do we do to the equal sign? Do you remember? Do you want me to help you? Okay, so when 1 plus 1 equals what?
2.
2. It does not equal 3, right? So this is wrong. So what we do to the equal sign is we make a line. Because we say it's not true. It's not equal. So this expression is false. False means it's not true. Okay? Okay, so
No false, it means true.
it can be true?
True.
True? Oh, you
No
can't
fa-
say
No false.
not false? Okay. Okay, so what are some of the ways that how they solve the equations on the video? Give me some examples that they used.
Mm,
Do you remember? What did they use? Remember the puppies?
no.
Yeah, so what about the puppies?
There was 3 puppies on one side and then there was 3 puppies on the other side.
So is that equation true or false?
True.
True, why?
Because it's the same number.
Good job. Yes, okay. So now what we're gonna do is we are going to do some problems. Okay, so what words did we review so far?
Huh?
¿Qué palabras ya hemos aprendido?
False.
False. What does false mean?
Not true.
Not true. Good job. So if an expression is false, what is it?
Incorrect.
Incorrect, okay? Good. Okay, so what about true? What does the true mean?
Mm, that is right.
That's right, good. Okay, so now this is what we're gonna do. What is this? Do you know?
Mm,
This is a scale. And scale es una balanza,
oh,
okay?
yeah, yo sé qué es.
You remember now? Okay, so what do we use the scales for?
Para medir algo. Lo más pesado y lo más liviano.
Okay, so we do, okay, so what, okay, so if this has more, let's say we have 3 right here and we have 2 right here, is this equal?
No.
No, so this is gonna be kind of like to the side, right? Porque va a estar más pesado uno que el otro. Good, okay, so we use scales to represent what's equal and not equal, okay? Okay, so what we have on this side, we must have on this side, okay? So what we're gonna do is we're gonna use, okay, let's see, we're gonna, okay, 2 plus 2, okay, what is it? 12. 2 plus 2 is 12.
Oh, no, wait, this is 2. I thought it was 6.
Oh, sorry. See my numbers. Okay, that's that. I apologize for this. That 2 plus 2. Okay, so 2 plus 2. No, sorry. 4. Good job. Okay, so let's do a harder one. Ooh, let's see. What if we have 6 plus 5? We're gonna have the equal sign on the middle. Okay, so what is that? Good. Okay, so can you read that expression for me? Can you read it?
6 plus 5 equals 11.
11. Good job. Awesome. Okay, so now let's see. Okay, so let's do an even harder one. Okay, so let's see. What if I have this?
Oh,
Ooh, what is that? Wow. Can you read that for me? Can you read the expression for me?
30 plus 2 equals 50.
15. Good job. 13 plus 2 equals 15. Okay? So now I want you to, okay, and I want you to break them down. Help me break them down. Okay, so grab another one. Oh, okay, so I do that one. Help me break this one. Uh-oh, te voy a ganar. Ay, me ganaste. Okay, I think that's enough, okay? I think that's good. We're good. Okay, so now, let's see. I want you to show me, can you use the cubes to represent the expression?
¿Qué?
Can you use the cubes, the counting cubes,
Oh.
to represent that, the expression? So what we're going to do, okay, so let me show you, okay? So we have, how many? How many here?
30.
13. ¿Ok? El sonido se oye casi igual, pero es 13. ¿Sale, vale? Okay. So we have 13. So we're going to count 1, 2, 3. Can you count with me? Okay, so let's go.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10,
10, okay.
11,
Mm-hmm.
12,
Mm-hmm.
30.
13. Okay? Good. Okay, so now we're gonna use what color do you want to use next?
Blue.
Blue. Okay, so how many blues do we need?
2.
2. Okay. So now here we have 13 plus 2. Now we're gonna do, how many do we need over here to make this true?
15.
15. Good job. So put 15. So I'm gonna count 1,
2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12,
13,
13, 40,
14,
50.
15. Good job. Awesome. Okay, so now we're gonna take a look. Do we have the same amount? Are equations the same? How many do you have up here?
Yeah, they are same.
They are the same. Why? How do you know?
Because 30 and 2, it's 15 and 15. There's 15 right here.
Good job. Awesome. That was a trick question. Okay, so now let's make another one. Let's make another one. Okay, so let's use the red one. Oh my goodness.
40,
Okay, let's see. 14 plus 6 equals. Okay, so here we go. This is gonna be a little harder one, okay? Okay, so we have 14 plus 6, okay? So I'm gonna put. Do you know the answer already? What is it? How do you know? How do you know it's 20? You did that super fast. How do you know? Tell me. How did you get that?
I already knew that one.
You already knew that one? Okay, so you want to try another one? You want to try a harder one?
Yeah.
Alright, let's see. Let's see. So we have. What number is that?
8.
Okay, hold on. Okay, give me 1 second. Okay, so what we're gonna do is we're gonna use our our cubes to do that. I know you're counting already. I can tell. Okay, so what we're gonna do is I need you to put. We're gonna put. Okay, so I'm gonna do the 8 and you do the 6. Okay, so choose one color. What color are you gonna do?
Red.
Red. I'm gonna do blue. Okay, so I'm gonna do. How many red ones are you gonna use?
8.
8. Oh. You're doing this one. I'm doing this one.
Yeah.
So how many do you need? How many red ones do you need? 2,
6.
3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Great. Okay. So here, how many do we have in total? Count them. So you already have an 8 right here. 8, 9.
60.
Oh, let's try again. So over here we have 6 already, right? I mean 8.
8.
Sorry, 8.
9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 40.
14. Good job. We have 14. Okay, so over here, how many is gonna be? How much is it gonna be?
40.
How many?
40.
4. Okay, good job. So wait, how about if now we create another expression that is the same thing as this? Can you give me 2 numbers that would add up to 14? 2 other numbers that would add up to 14.
30 plus 10.
Okay, so write it down.
Where is it?
Okay. Let's see. You are writing. Okay, remember. Hold on. 8 plus 6 equals 14. Okay? Remember, 14 is the 1 and the 4. 14, okay? Aquí escribiste 40. Okay? So we're gonna fix this. You're not gonna write the number over here, okay? Okay. Good job. You see? Okay, so how much is it? 8 plus 6 is
40.
14. 14. The 1 and the 4. Okay? El 1 y el 4. 14.
Es que casi se oye como el 40.
Right, exactamente. Sí es cierto. Okay, so entonces sabemos que 8 plus 6 equals how much?
14.
14. Good job. Okay, so now we are gonna tell me. Can you think of another two other numbers that we can add up and that is gonna give us 14? What two other numbers gonna give us 14? 14. You can use your cubes to help you out.
20 and 30?
20.
No.
Remember, we are doing 14. 14. El número 14. ¿Qué dos números podemos sumar para que nos dé 14?
10 and 4?
Good. Okay, so write it down. 10 plus. Okay, awesome. Good job. Okay, so now let me give you. Okay, so I think this is pretty easy for you. Let's do a little harder one. Okay, so let me use this one. So let me show you. It's okay. Let's see. Is this true or not?
No.
No? How do you know? Let's work it out. So you're gonna do.
5.
Okay, you're gonna do both. Okay.
Okay.
Choose a color that you're gonna do. That's gonna represent 5. So our equation is 5 plus 16 equals 22.
Bueno.
Okay, ready? Ready?
Mhm.
Okay, let's keep going. So we have 5 over here. Okay. So how many do we need? What's this number?
6.
16.
16.
16. Okay, so how many do we need? ¿Cuántos necesitamos?
16.
16. 16. Good. Okay, so you do this one. I'm gonna do the 22. Okay. Ready? Oh, there's a lot. Okay, so let's see. We're gonna count them, okay? So how many are in here?
22.
22. Let's count how many are in here, okay? So
1, 2.
well, we don't have to count all over again, right? We already have, let's see. We have 5 right here, okay? Well, let's start off with the biggest number, 16.
Okay.
Okay? 16, we already have 16 here.
6.
16,
1. It's 21.
17, 18.
18, 19, 20, 21.
Good. So is our equation true or false?
False.
False. So what are we going to do to that equal sign? Remember? What do we do?
Put a line. And
Put a
equal.
line through it. Yes, because that's false. That's not true. Alrighty. So that was actually our last equation that we're going to do. So now this is what we're going to do. You're going to get to do one on your own, okay?
Okay.
So let's see. So we're going to classify, you're going to classify. Okay. Over here you have your true and false. Good. True and false sheet. So I have some cards already for you.
Mm-hmm.
So this is what you're going to do. You're going to classify this cards and put them where do you think they go. Okay.
Okay.
So what you're gonna do, you're gonna be able to use your counters, and you're gonna be able to use your scale to help you out if you need help. Okay. Okay. So let's do the first one for you. Let's do the first one. What's it? Okay. Here we go. Let's do this one. What does this say?
5 plus 3 equals 7.
Oh, 5 plus 3 equals 7 plus 1, right? So what are we going to do?
Put
Okay, so over here, let's picture this in here on our scale, okay? So 5 plus 3, right? So what are we going to do? We're going to do 5 plus 3. Good, awesome. And here we have 7 plus 1. So what are we going to do here?
put 7.
And 1. Okay? So now you're going to tell me. You're going to add this on top and you're going to add this on top. And are they the same? Tell me. I say true or false? Is the equation true or false?
Two.
It's true? Okay, so we have 1. So we have 5 plus 3. So we already have the 5. We don't have to count those. 5, 6.
7, 8.
Good.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
Good. So it is equal. So what are we going to put it in? What are we going to put it on there? True or false?
True.
Good. Okay, so what you're going to do is you're actually going to glue it, okay?
No. Okay.
So you're going to glue that to it. Okay. Awesome. That's it. I think you can see. Okay. So now you're going to do that with the rest of the cards, okay?
Okay.
You have 7 more to go. Okay, so this is your final product. Okay, so now what we're gonna do is I need you to write an equation for me. And I would like for you to try both. Can you write for me a false? Can you write a false expression and a true equation? Well, ¿qué es lo que estamos haciendo? ¿Las estas? ¿Como de estas? ¿Las expresiones como estas? Yo quiero que tú me hagas una que es falsa y otra que es verdadera. Can you create one? Do you think you can make one? You can make it up, okay? But over here, let me see. Over here. Over here is going to be the true one. Over here is going to be the false one, okay? So you're going to create a true and a false one. So, but you're not going to use this one. So you're going to, en tu cabecita, imagínate la cuál es que vas a usar.
True.
Okay, true. Okay, over here.
False.
You're going to label false, okay? Okay, so you're going to write an equation.
Okay.
Okay, so... Okay, so write it. Okay, good. Muy bien. 7 plus.
1 equals 8.
Good job. So now you're going to create a false one. Hey, good job. Really creative. So these are Danny's expressions. Good job. Okay, so for the true one, you say
1.
Oh.
No, 7 plus 1 equals 8.
Good. For the false, you say
1 plus 2 equals 6.
Ah, that's not true, right? Because if you add 1 plus 2, what is it? Does it give you?
Mm,
If we add 1 plus 2, what is the answer?
3.
3. Good job, Danny. Awesome. We are done. Say bye to the camera. Dile bye.
Bye.